Now today I am going to start equality of matrices. You know about the matrices, okay na? How can you say two matrices are equal, okay na? So if there are some conditions for equality, suppose let A and B are two matrices of same order. Two matrices of same order, and matrix A equals to matrix B. This implies first order of A must be equal to order of B, and second, any element of A, any element of matrix A equal to corresponding element of matrix B. Okay na? Now let Aij element of a matrix and Bij also element of this matrix. This implies if matrix A equals to matrix B, this implies Aij must be equals to Bij. Means element of ith row and jth column of matrix A must be equal to element of ith row and jth column of the second matrix. When? If matrix A equals to matrix B. See the example. Question is, let A is equal to matrix of 2x7y, z y plus 1, and B equals to W 3 4 x plus 2. Okay na? Then and A equals to B, then find the value of x, y, z and w. Okay na? Now since matrix A equals to matrix B, that is 2x, z and y plus 1 must be equal to w 3, 4 and x plus 2. So what you observe? Any element of A must be equal to corresponding element of this matrix. That is first row, this matrix A11 equals to B11. The 2 equals to W. This implies the value of W is 2. And second element of first row equals to second element of the first row of second matrix. X equals to 3. Now Z equals to 4. And y plus 1 equals to x plus 2. But what is value of x? Value of x is 3. So this implies y plus 1 equals to 3 plus 2, that is 5. So y equals to 5 minus 1, that is 4. So your answer is x is equal to, what is x? 3, y equals to 4, z equals to 4 and w equals to 2. So, is it clear that if two matrices are equal, then any element of first matrix must be equal to corresponding element of second matrix. Okay na? Now come to the addition of matrix. Addition of matrices. Okay na? How can I add two matrices? Suppose let A and B are two matrices. Then A plus B matrix is defined if and only if first order of matrix equals to matrix A equals to order of matrix B. Then and if Aij is the element of matrix A and Bij element of BE and Cij element of A plus B matrix. So this implies Aij plus Bij must be equal to Cij. Okay na? That is A plus B. If A plus B must be equal to matrix A plus B, just suppose this is equal to C. Okay na? See the example. Let A is the matrix of 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 9. B is a matrix of 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4. Now, order of A equals to number 2 rows and 3 columns, the 2 by 3. And order of B equals to what? Also here 2 rows and 3 columns, the 2 by 3. Clearly, order of A equals to order of B. So, now we can add matrix A with B because order of A and order of B are equal. Therefore, A plus B matrix must be equal to, what is A? 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 9 plus what is B? 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 4. So add this element added with this element. So A plus B equals to 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3. Now second row element, 6 added with 5, so 6 plus 5, 4 added with 3, so 4 plus 3, 9 added with 4, 9 plus 4. What will be this? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 5, 11, 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 4, 13. So this is your A plus B matrix. So this is the addition of two matrices.